Step 1. Fill the kettle with water and screw the pointed head and bucket together. Step 2. Screw the round cap and the red bucket together and nest it into the white bucket. Step 3. Connect the yellow regulator to the bucket with a rope. Step 4. Slide the yellow regulator up and down to appropriate height. Step 5. Connect the water pipe and inject some water in bucket. Step 6. Regulating water intake. Twist the red cap downward. The more water, the higher the water level. Twist the red cap to high. The less water, the lower the water level. When the water level reaches equilibrium, drinker will automatically stop filling the water.